Hello. So, guys, are you available now? So the issue got resolved finally. So please, extremely sorry for that issue happened during our live session. Okay. So now we are going to start our session. So please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and also please ignore our previous session. Okay. Please ignore our previous session what I have discussed so far. So now again I am starting this session with from starting. Okay, so please guys, try to understand why that issue happened. Okay, like 1 or 2 hours before. So because that issue happened actually because of some Java upgraded issue. Okay, so as of now I used that Java JDK as 18. Okay, the 18th version of Java I have used earlier. So because of that our Jenkins is not going to work during that time. Okay, so now I have downgraded our Java version to 11, and also I have downloaded the Jenkins version accordingly. Okay, we have to select which Jenkins version will work with which Java version. Okay, so those two are prerequisite conditions before working with Jenkins. Okay, come on guys, please. I know people are not going to live this time because we have already missed out one chance in the evening at 8 p.m. live session. So now, so I think no one is going to join. So please try to understand what my problem here is. Okay. Okay guys, please do let me know once if you join to the session. Okay, we will start our session now. Anyone available currently or not, please? Okay, so come on people, if anyone interested, please join the session now. So please guys, please try to understand, because of that issue I have ended that session at that time only. So now the issue got resolved and everything is working fine. So please try to understand. Okay, sometimes those issues will come into picture, okay, when we are interested to deliver the content with a wholeheartedly. Okay, that should be there at any time. Okay, don't worry about that. So now I'm going to discuss about, okay, now I'm going to discuss about the concept called Jenkins. Okay, now I'm going to discuss about the concept called Jenkins. Common people. Guys, please, anyone interested, please let me know from the live chat, guys. So to continue the session or not, please do let me know from the live chat. Okay. Hi Hari Vignesh, or thank you so much, buddy. So earlier there was some issue happened with my Jenkins. Okay, so that's why again I fixed that issue. So now I am conducting the session. Okay, yeah, thank you so much Hari Vignesh, or thank you so much for visiting the channel. Thank you so much, buddy, by supporting with your presence now in this particular stream. So because you know already what happened at 9 or 8:45 p.m. Okay, so actually I came up to conduct a session for Jenkins. So while when I completed that Jenkins introduction part, so now the next step is I'm going to configure the Jenkins. Okay, so during that time what happened, unfortunately that Jenkins were converted into PDF, rather I mean after that it converted into jar file. Means when I clicked on right click on open with, means I selected unfortunately jar file. Okay, due to that issue happened. Okay, because of that thing that issue happened. So now I have completely resolved that issue. So now I am waiting for you people to join for the session to discuss more about Jenkins and also the configuration part, and also how we can add our Maven project and we are going to run it from the Jenkins. Okay, so that is my intention for this session. So I'm extremely sorry for each and everyone who attended for that particular session at 8 p.m. today. Okay, really I am very sorry for that session, especially the people who joined for that session, because everyone will come up with some expectations to learn. So due to these kind of things, I have unfortunately I ended that stream at 9:20 till I waited for 9:20, but no solution found. So once that is done, I found one solution. So now I've overcome that issue. Now I am showing you Jenkins here. Okay, so that is I'm going to discuss about now. That is called as Jenkins concept. Okay, what happened to this one then? Yeah, come on guys, please please support the stream, and let's make it happen, guys. Let's make it happen. Sometimes it will happen for any one of us. Okay, if everything is okay, then only everything will went fine. If nothing is okay, so our time bad during that time. Please guys, please try to understand what I'm telling here. Okay, so now can I start it now, or we can wait for some more people to join? At least 4 people I'm expecting, because I have posted already one community post, so maybe that will helps them to join for this session. So that's what my intention. So we can wait for some people, or how it will be, please let me know from the live chat. Okay, thank you so much guys, thank you so much. I'm extremely sorry for that happened. Okay, I'm extremely sorry for the issue what happened at 8 p.m. because of some configuration issue. I could not find any solution for that one, so we can wait for few more people to join for this session. Hi, Raghavendra. Thank you so much for visiting the channel. Yeah, that's where actually I forget about these prerequisite conditions. Okay, so actually what I did, I have the version of JDK is 18. That is the latest version of Java I am using currently. But when I selected this Jenkins as a latest version, so there some compatibility issue happened, some configuration issue happened between the Jenkins and our Java. So that's the reason why I got some error. The supported version the supported Java versions of these Jenkins version is something else it shown. So then I realized that it is due to Jenkins version only. Okay, because up to Java 11 version only, that Jenkins is going to work. What we are selecting there, the past releases, that is the latest version. Okay, the latest version of Jenkins is going to select up to JDK 11 only. So that's what I found here. Okay, so that's what I found here from this one. So later what I did, I have downloaded this 2.164.1 which is compatible to JDK 11. Okay, so then what I did, again I downgraded that JDK 18 to JDK 11. So then I tried, it is working fine now. Okay, then I tried, it is working fine now, no problem. Okay, so here let me show you what I am telling. I think you are not able to see the screen, right? Yeah, 1 second, let me minimize everything. Okay, so here this part I am telling, I started my career as automation test engineer. Is Jenkins is needed for automation test engineer? Yes, definitely it is required for every automation test engineer. Okay, definitely it is required to learn about the Jenkins concept. Okay, because when you are getting experience, you have to work with Jenkins only as your continuous integration tool. Okay, as you can see here. Okay, so as you can see here, so I have downloaded the version called 2.164.1. Okay, so with this Jenkins file, I can able to successfully configure to our Java JDK 11, because previously I have JDK 18. So that's the reason why if I took the latest release also, that is not going to work with JDK 18. So here you can see 2.164 and never Java 8 or Java 11, they clearly mentioned here, but I forget to go through these steps. So then what I did, then I converted my JDK version from 18 to Java 11, so where it is suitable for 2.164 version of Jenkins. So then what I did, I have downloaded the same version, that is 2.164.1. so then I checked with the help of command prompt. Now it is showing properly fine, no issues. Okay, so can we start the session now? Please guys, can we start the session now, or we can wait for some more time to enough people will join for this session? So how it will be, please let me know from the live chat, guys. Okay, yeah, this for every automation test engineer, this Jenkins part is very important. Okay, yeah, there was no excuses about this Jenkins. Anyway, you are scripting more than 1000 test cases in your project, for example. Yes, please start. Yeah, thank you, Sridhar Anaganti. Thank you so much for visiting the channel at this time. Yeah, so now I am going to start the session. So, do you want me to start it again from the starting? So, where I have discussed already, okay, I have already discussed at 8 p.m. today. Unfortunately, I got some configuration issue, so that's why I left at that session and I ended that session. So, now if you want me to discuss again from the beginning, okay, if you want me to discuss from the starting, I can discuss. If not required, we can directly go to the configuration part without knowing anything about Jenkins. But I am thinking it is better for you people to tell it one more time what is Jenkins and how to configure, how to download the Jenkins. Okay, that is what my intention is. Please let me know from the live chat. One second, guys, I'm getting some a big sound of my fan. Okay, let me decrease the fan speed. Okay, yeah, now I'm going to start. So how you want, please tell me. So whether I want to you want me to explain it from the beginning, or you just want to continue from the configuration part. So how it will be, please let me know, guys, from the live chat. Okay, so please let me know from the live chat, which will be helpful for me. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the Jenkins part here. Okay, let me know if you want it, if you want the Jenkins from the beginning, or you want from the configuration part. So how it will be, please let me know in the live chat. Okay, how it will be, please let me know from the live chat. Please, guys, I need your support to make this session in a successful way. Okay, please interact with me. If you don't interact with me, even I will also get some uh, sleepy feel. Okay, please try to understand. Please interact with me and please try to ask more questions if you have any questions. Yeah, definitely, Raghavendra, I will tell you which are the required, which are all the important concepts for freshers. Okay, I will tell you at the end of the session, as we don't have enough time to discuss about all those things currently. So please try to understand. It's almost 11:15 p.m. Okay, please response from the live chat, guys. I asked you one question, whether you want me to continue from the beginning, or you want me to continue from the configuration part. How it will be, again I am requesting for each and everyone. Okay, so now, okay, so now, as of now, I told, right? So here, it first of all, Jenkins is a open source tool to perform the continuous integration and build automation. Okay, here Jenkins is a open source tool to perform some continuous integration and build automation. So means, without manual interaction, with the help of this Jenkins, we can execute test cases at a particular time. So that is called as continuous integration. Okay, so here if we are using Jenkins, means we can avoid the manual interaction. Okay, we can avoid the manual interaction for execution of our test cases at a particular time. So for that reason only, this Jenkins got introduced into the market nowadays. It is not from nowadays, it is alive from long many years back only. Okay, it got introduced into the market. Okay, so please let me know, guys, please let me know. Beginning, sir. Yeah, Raghavendra, you have already attended for this session at 8 p.m. today, or how it will be? Okay, nothing. I'm not discussing. I mean, there is nothing to discuss more. I'm just giving one example. Okay, so for example, for this Jenkins, if you can understand in this way, so I am taking one example. So there are two people are working in that project. So one guy is logging, one guy login timings here is from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. So during his working hours, he completed almost 5 test cases which he automated. Okay, so then once he logged out, there is one more guy who is going to log in at from 7 p.m. to 3 a.m. in the morning of the next day. So during this time, okay, during this time he needs to interact with the client as well. once this night shift guy also took some logout, he also automated almost 10 test cases. Now the total count of both the candidates is 20 test cases, for example. So once these two candidates taken logout from their office working hours means, then there will be no one to execute these test cases. Even if client wants to execute also, even he also don't know how to execute the test cases, for example. So during that time, so what we can do, we can configure in such a way that during our absence our scripts have to be run automatically, so that once the execution got completed, client will get only the test results. He is not going to run the test cases by himself. Okay, so what if no one is there during the office working hours, but client wants to see the test results, what these guys are automated. So during this time we are going to work with one tool called as Jenkins, that is called as Jenkins. Okay, so that's why it is called as continuous integration tool. Okay, that's why it is called as continuous integration tool. That is all the introduction about Jenkins. So in this way you can easily understand what is a Jenkins first of all. So now I am going to show you installing Jenkins. Okay, so as I shown you earlier, so you can use this URL to download the Jenkins WAR file. Okay, once if you click on this Jenkins WAR file, you can see the list of versions which are available here. Okay, so let me open one more time. From here only let me open jenkins.io/download. Okay, before that let me add, if we don't add this means you will get navigate to some different sites. Okay, so where that is not a site for Jenkins. Okay, so here is the site for downloading part. So once if you hit this URL, you will see here one past releases link here. Okay, so under stable LTS, here LTS means long term support. Okay, please remember here LTS means long term support, which means for every 4 weeks, I mean for every month, this Jenkins community is releasing one stable version. Okay, which is releasing one stable version. So that's the reason why this is called as long term support. Okay, so then once if we click on this past releases, okay, once if we click on this past releases, you can see here, okay, there are some list of versions which are released from beginning. Okay, from beginning what are the different versions they have released, you can find it from here. Okay, before downloading any WAR file, first we need to see the prerequisites for downloading these jar files. Okay, I mean sorry, WAR files. So there is a difference between WAR, that is WAR file, and jar file. Okay, so I will tell these two these two terms after completion of this Jenkins concept. Okay, so now what we need to do, we have to download the exact version of Jenkins which is matching with the current Java version. Okay, the Java version what you are using, that should have to match with your Jenkins version what you are going to download from this particular Jenkins website. Okay, so unfortunately at 8 o'clock today session, so I have downloaded the latest version here. Okay, I have downloaded the latest version, so it got downloaded. So then when I open my command prompt, so there I am not able to see my Jenkins because of the Java configuration issue. There is some configuration issue between this Jenkins WAR file and also with Java version, because in my machine I have already a JDK version called as 18. So now I have downloaded the latest version of Jenkins. So when I try to configure, I got some error saying that this Jenkins version will support only 7 or 8 or 11 versions of Java. So then only I got to realize that I ran into some problem. So again I tried to download one more WAR file. So where I opened with some PDF and also I opened with some browser. So because of that file extension got changed. So every time if I want to open that particular file, it is showing like some jar file or some PDF document. okay, or some exe file. Likewise it's shown if you there in my earlier session today at 8 p.m. before 2 to 3 hours before. Okay, so then I told I will end the stream and I will configure that properly. So after that I found the issue saying that there is some compatibility issue between this Jenkins version and Java version. So later I have decided and I selected the older version of Jenkins, that is 2.164.1. you can see here 2.164.1 you can see here. So the same version what they mentioned here the above I have downloaded, which is suitable for Java 8 or Java 11. So we need to we have to make sure that that Java version what you are using and the Jenkins what you are going to download, those two should be in a sync. So then only you don't get the error what I got in our earlier session. Okay, so now once if we downloaded, the next step here is what is our next step. Okay, what is our next step? So first we have to go to that downloads folder. So where you have downloaded, for example in my case I have downloaded inside my downloads folder only. Sorry, it got stored inside my downloads folder only. If you want to store this jenkins.war file in any one of your folders, you can you can set the folder path likewise. Okay, you can select the uh, path in that way. Okay, so in my case I placed in downloads only. So now what I am doing, I am just doing one command prompt here from here. So now what I need to search here, okay, what I need to enter a command, that is java hyphen, sorry, before configuring this, so first I want to show you the version of Java I am using currently. Okay, before that I want to show you which version of Java I am using currently, right? Oh, sorry, wait, I clicked on there command prompt. Okay, that is Java hyphen version. Okay, here you can see it is 11. Okay, this is the version of JDK, that is 11, and it got released on September 25th, means 3 years back. Okay, so this is my current version of Java 11. So the same I can find it from my Jenkins website as well, what they mentioned clearly here. Okay, 2.164 is the suitable version for Java 8 or Java 11. Okay, if you want to download the latest also, this is the versions which are going to support for the latest version of Jenkins. Okay, so now the configuration part, right? So first let me go to the downloads folder only, where I have downloaded my jenkins.war file. So from here how we can open command prompt, just go inside this path. Okay, so then press enter cmd. Okay, so once if you press enter, it will open you the command prompt to enter some commands. Okay, here you can see the path of this folder, that is C users Lenovo downloads is my folder name. So here I am going to enter a command called java-jar, which one, jenkins dot var file. Okay, once if I hit enter, it is telling running. You can see the status here running, and if you are opening it for the first time, you will get some security question where it will tell you whether to access or not. Okay, we have to allow access to continue, so then only you will get all this information here. Here you can see, I don't know how to zoom here, let me take one magnifier here so that it will be easy for you to show. Okay, so are you guys understanding? Guys, are you able to understand? Sai, Mani, Tej, Medishetty, thank you so much for visiting the channel. Guys, are you able to understand this point till this point, or do you have any difficulties while understanding? Please let me know. Please let me know from the live chat, guys. Please let me know from the live chat. We can increase our speed from now. Okay, so please try to understand the concept what I am discussing currently, which will be very helpful for you. Where is my magnifier went? Okay, here it is. Okay, let me go to my command prompt. So then let me use this one. Okay, so here you can see it is telling Jenkins is fully up and running. Okay, so when I enter the command here, okay, then we are getting one message finally, that is Jenkins is fully up and running, right? Jenkins is fully up and running. You can see the information here. Okay, so this is how we can, the first step is this one only. Okay, the first step here is, okay, the first step here is how to configure Jenkins. In this way we need to configure our Jenkins. Okay, so now, okay, now what it will do, by defaultly Jenkins run on 8080 port. Okay, 8080 port it will by defaultly run on. Once if your Jenkins is fully up and running, so now go to your browser. Okay, now go to your browser and type http, okay, http slash localhost, http slash localhost, okay, localhost, okay, that is 8080. Okay, once in your machine if your Jenkins is up and running, you will get this kind of thing. Means by defaultly if you are opening it for the first time, you will get some different scenarios here, I mean different screens. So where this Jenkins will automatically give you one default password. With the help of that password we are going to create our username. Accordingly we are going to set up our password for that particular account what you are planning to use. Okay, so here in my case I have already logged in. I mean I have already tried this Jenkins like almost 7 or 8 months back, so that's why I am not getting different screens here. Okay, so now if I click on sign in button, it will takes me to Jenkins home page. Okay, it will takes me to Jenkins home page. Okay, are you guys understanding the concept? Hi, Prakash beginning. Is it okay? Or Raghavendra or Sridhar Anganti, Sai Maniteja, Medishetty? Please respond, guys, from the live chat. Live chat is always open for you. Please respond from the live chat, guys. Your response will make say, I mean, many things I can do if you are responding properly. Please guys, please respond properly. So I have already tried. So here we can see, as I mentioned, 7 months ago I tried. Here you can see 7 months 28 days I have already tried to use this Jenkins for one of our videos in our channel. Okay, but that video is not get, I mean it won't get that much popular on those days. Now anyway I have enough support from you, so maybe I am expecting this video will get more views and also will get more YouTube point of view terms. Okay, so what I am expecting in terms of everything. So now, here we can see there are this is the home page of Jenkins. Okay, this is the home page of Jenkins, right? This is the home page of Jenkins. Okay, so come on guys, please respond. While I am talking you have to respond, so otherwise I don't know whether it is understandable or not. How it will be, I don't know, guys, really. Please respond, guys, please respond. Guys, if you are there, please respond with me, so then only I will get some interest to explain properly. If you don't responding means I don't get any. If people are not there, how can I continue? Okay, Yeah, please let me know from the live chat, guys. If you are interested or not, please let me know from the live chat. Otherwise, we can take this on tomorrow session. No problem. Okay. We don't have any issues. We will continue on tomorrow. No issues. Come on, people. Please respond in the live chat, guys. Please respond. I am expecting a response from your end also. Okay, please. Okay, getting my point. Guys, are you getting my point? What I am telling? Guys, are you getting what I am telling? Yeah. Hi, to be continued. Please continue. Yes, yes. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much. See, that's where I am discussing. See, I have some enthusiasm to continue this session at this time because I have already stopped this session at 8 p.m. today evening. But again, why I am telling means, okay, you came for me to know the concept from my end, right? So that's why I also don't want to lose you people without telling anything. Okay, if I am conducting some session means that must and should be helpful for you at any time, right? So that's the reason why I am continuing the session again now. Okay, please try to understand. Okay, please try to understand. So yeah, okay, let it be, no problem. We are continuing with this one. So now anyway we have configured the Jenkins. Okay, so here the configuration part of Jenkins. Okay, so now I am going to show you. So anyway, we have launched this URL that is called as localhost 8080, right? 8080. So by defaultly this Jenkins will run at which one? Okay, by defaultly this Jenkins will run on 8080 port. Okay, we can navigate to that particular URL in any one of our browser, that is http localhost 8080. Okay, if you are first time, if you are logging in means, okay, your password will store it in. Okay, first time if you are opening that URL means it will give you some default password for you. Okay, that will be stored in your C drive users folder. Under that there will be one folder called as admin. Inside that .jenkins, inside that you will get some secrets folder also. Inside that you will get some text file. Okay, with the help of that text file, if you open means, so there by default one password will generate for each and every user. So you can just copy that password when you are first time logging in. So later you can change that username as well. Okay, so now Jenkins are up and running, and now we have to configure this Jenkins so that we can execute all our test cases via Jenkins as well. Okay, so for that, what we have to do here. Okay, so what we have to do here, so if we are using Jenkins means, instead of using word called project, we have to use a word called as jobs. Okay, if you are working with Jenkins means, you need to always use a term called as jobs, not like a project. Okay, or projects. Okay, try to understand these terms. Okay, if you are working with Jenkins means, you need to habituate to use a term called as jobs, jobs, jobs. Okay, don't use project word if you are working with Jenkins. Okay, it is completely a configuration part, but don't bother about the configuration part. In companies we have a teams called DevOps. These teams will configure the Jenkins part. Okay, okay, don't bother about the configuration part, but in real time, in real time the company is having a team called as DevOps team. Okay, this team will configure this Jenkins part according to your project. Okay, first here what I need to do, first I am going to, which one, I am going to create a new project here. Okay, new project. Why I am telling you project, I will tell you. Instead of jobs, why I am calling here project instead of calling here job. Okay, So first here we can see there is one link called new item. Okay, with the help of this new item we are going to enter a project name. Okay, we are going to enter a project name. So here the project name here is what I can mention. So if you look into my Eclipse, there are some errors you can see, but I can mention here. So which things we are validating here, for example, abstraction, and also this one capturing screenshot I can mention here. Okay, capturing screenshot is my project name. Capturing screenshot. Capturing screenshot is my project name. Okay, so here click on item. Okay, first we need to provide. Okay, 1 second. Let me go back. All. So here first click on this new item. Okay, the first step here is provide an item for that particular project. So here I am going to provide capture screenshot is my project name. Okay, screenshot is my project name, and click on freestyle project. Okay, first we created our project name as, we entered an item name as capture screenshot, and also we can call it as project name. So then click on this freestyle project. Okay, once if we click on freestyle project, then immediately click on the next button that is called as OK. Okay, so now our project got created here. Okay, our project got created. Okay, it created a project name called as capture screenshot. Okay, let me zoom a little so that it will be easy for you to have a look. Okay, currently 4 people are watching. Thank you so much, guys. So once if we click on that button, OK button, you can see here a project is created now, right? There we have different tabs like general, source code management, build triggers, build and post build actions. Okay, here source code management and general, build triggers, build, post build actions. Okay, so here what is a general means here? Okay, what is general means? General means a project name where it will contain some description. You can provide description part also. Okay, and also we can have some build environment. This build we are going to execute, means we can mention which build we are going to execute inside this general tab. Okay, inside this general tab we can have build tab as well. Okay, here we can see build. Okay, here we can see build, which build you want to. Okay, means there are some environments, right? We can select on which environment we are going to build this particular project. Okay, so first let me so here we can provide any kind of, it is my, I am providing here, it is my first Jenkins job going, it is my first Jenkins job, for example, and project name is capturing screenshot, and description is it is my first Jenkins job. Okay, and then here build means what we will see now. Okay, here build means what? Build is a environment. Okay, build is a environment. Okay, build is nothing but a environment where we are going to mention on which environment we need to run this particular job. So those details we need to enter in this particular build option, that is build. Below you can see, right? Okay, so next, the next tab what we have here is build tab. Okay, build tab means how to integrate this with our Maven project. Okay, how to integrate this Jenkins with our Maven project. So that's why I opened here an Eclipse. Okay, before scheduling this live session I have executed this project from Maven only. I have built this project from Maven. Okay, so there are some failures because of some assertions what I have mentioned, and also because of some XPath issue I got this issue. Okay, so here we are going to configure this project and we are running from the Jenkins. So how we will run, we will see it now. Okay, so till then everything is clear, guys. Please let me know everyone is clear till now. Please let me know, please let me know. We don't have any time, I mean we don't have more time. Please let me know for my question till now everything is clear or not in my way of explanation, or I am dragging the same thing again and again, or how it will be, or I am too slow or I am too fast, how it will be. Please let me know, guys. Yes, clear. Yeah, thank you so much, Sridhar Anganti. Thank you so much for your response. So now, okay, we discussed about this general tab, and we discussed about this build, what it is used for. That is using for environment only, on which environment, on which build you are going to execute. Okay, so then there is one more tab that is called as build tab. Okay, so here how to integrate Maven with Jenkins. Okay, to do that we have to use this build button here. Okay, build button. So first you can click on this build button. So now we will get first you can click on this build button and click on this add build step. Okay, add build step, and then click on invoke top level Maven targets. You can see an option here, that is invoke top level Maven targets. Okay, on this environment I am going to build my job from this particular Jenkins. So that's why this build tab is builded with. Okay, that is the concept of this build. So where I am going to execute the particular environment, we are going to select. In our case our project is Maven project, so that's why first click on this build, and then see, first let me click on general, and let me click on, after entering the description part I am clicking on this build tab. So then I am going to this build option, and from this button I am going to select invoke top level Maven targets. So first select that one. Okay, first select that one. So here Maven version is, so here we have some more options to perform, I mean some more options where we need to enter. Okay, some more version where we need to enter, that is here. Click on invoke top level Maven targets, we completed, and then we need to mention some goals here, that is test I can mention. Okay, test. Okay, click on advanced here. Okay, so here I don't know where is the Maven version we are mentioning. Okay, click on advanced. Okay, thank you so much guys who are subscribing now. Okay, thank you so much for your love and support. Really your support needs me, I mean our channel needs your support only. Okay, so now here, okay, so let me do it one more time. Let me close this one. Okay, so I will tell you one more time. Thank you so much for your valuable subscription, the people who subscribe now. I am not able to see their names. Okay, so now we are going to select this build as invoke top level Maven targets. So once here goals, what is your goal? We are running suit level tests, or you are executing regression tests, what it will be. So for now I will mention here tests only. Okay, test is the exact goal term here. Okay, you need to pass always the test, because we are doing the testing part here. Okay, so that is the goal, we need to set it here, that is called as test. Okay, so then click on advanced button here. So then click on advanced button. Here you can see we need to provide our pom.xml file path. Okay, we need to provide our pom.xml file path. So where is our pom.xml file path got located? So inside our Eclipse, right? So here error file to load help file. Okay, no problem. We can go to our Eclipse and just right click on this pom.xml file, just go to the properties and location. Okay, just copy. So I will try, I mean first let me try with this one only. If it is not working, Okay, or else better if we can provide the whole path. Okay, where is our pom.xml file path got located? So otherwise if we mentioned some part of the path, maybe who knows, it will give you some error again. So that's the reason why for now I am taking the whole pom.xml file path here. Okay, whole pom.xml file path here. So then nothing to do. Okay, nothing to do. So here now we set up our maven pom.xml file path as well here, and click on apply here. Click on apply and click on save. Okay, so now our maven path also configured here successfully, right? Guys, are you able to understand or not? Please let me know. Are you guys understanding it properly or not? Please let me know. I am telling each and everything in a clear way. Multiple times I am telling. Please let me know. Please guys, make it fast whether are you guys are understanding or not till this point. So nothing what I did, I just entered one description part about our project. So and then I clicked on that build tab. So inside that build tab I selected the add build step. Once that is done, I selected an option that is called as invoked maven level targets. So once that is done, I clicked on some advanced options. Okay, so there I entered my pom.xml file path. So where we can see that pom.xml file, if that is a maven project, then only we will get this pom.xml file. We need to mention that pom.xml file, so where it is containing all our project related information. So that's the reason why we have to provide that pom.xml path inside this advanced options. Okay, once that is done, click on apply and click on save. This is the process we have followed till now. Okay, so now let me go to the Jenkins again. So here what I did, after completion of, okay, once if we done with all these things, after completion of integration of maven project, we have to execute our maven project, right? Okay, after completion of integrating our maven project, we have to execute, right? But that particular project. So for that, right click on this, where is that? Okay, right click on this particular project. Okay, click on build now is option there. It will got executed. Okay, it will got executed. We will wait. Here you can see in progress console output. It will give you the console output here. So whatever the output we got here, right? So we will see. Okay, so what happened? It got failed, it seems. Yeah, failed console output. We can find it from here because some configure issues, I think. Okay, there are some some configuration issues, because we need to mention the we need to schedule that one, right? If we are using Jenkins, means we need to mention that timing as well, so when we are going to run. Okay, so now what I will do, so the main advantage of this Jenkins is time scheduling only, right? So for that, how we can provide this time schedule in Jenkins? So click on this configure. Okay, so after configuring the project, what I did, I simply click on this project name and I clicked on this build now. So now after clicking on this build now, I got this error saying that failed and go to the console output. Okay, so don't worry. So we have to mention the time, so when exactly you want to execute. Maybe that's the reason why this execution got failed this time. So now what we will do, so to set that time, we have to click on this configure link here. Okay, we have to click on this configure link. So here, then go to build trigger and click on build periodically. Here you can see we have one more tab, build trigger, then select build periodically. Okay, then we are going to schedule our time here. So how we can set the time here? Okay, how we can set the time here? Please let me know how we can set the time here? Tell me guys, how we can set the time? We have one syntax, right? We have one syntax there, that is called as, that's where I am telling. Okay, that is where I am telling. So we need to use one syntax here. So let me open the notepad file. I will show you from there so that you will understand it easily. Okay, okay, right? We have to schedule, right? That's the main advantage. We need to time schedule, means we need to set up some time before building any job from Jenkins. That is the main advantage. Whenever you want, we can run that particular job. We can call it as time scheduling. So for that we have syntax to be followed here, that is syntax for time scheduling. Syntax for time scheduling. Are you able to see my screen properly? Syntax for time scheduling. What is a syntax for time scheduling? First we can have minutes. Okay, first we can have minutes. Okay, minutes, hour, sorry, not plural, this is singular only. Minute, hour, day of month, and month, and day of week. Okay, so here minutes will start from, minute will start from where? 0 to 59, right? 0 to 59 seconds, that will consider as 1 minute, right? 0 to 59 seconds, that is called as 1 minute. So how many hours will consider, how many minutes we can consider as, sorry, per hour. Okay, per hour how many minutes we have? 60 minutes, right? That's why it is starting from 0 to 59. Okay, in the same way, how many hours we have here? We have 24 hours, right? That's why it is also starting from 0 to 23. Okay, that's why it is also starting from 0 to 23. Next, what is the day of month? In a month, how many days are there? Okay, that will be 1 to 31. Sometimes it will be 30 or sometime it will be 31. So that's why we need to take it as 1 to 31. Okay, so if we take 0 to 31 means it is not going to consider properly. We have to take it as the starting day as first only, then only we will get the proper count. If there is only 30 days means you can take it from 0. Okay, in both the ways. Okay, then how many months we have? Months also starting from which one? 1 to 12 months we have, right? 1 to 12 months. Then day of week, that is starting from 0 to 7. Okay, so here day will always be starting from where? Sunday only. Okay, day will be always starting from where? Sunday. Yes, clear. Type error module object is not callable. Which one? Tech Mission portal, welcome to the stream. Thank you so much for your presence in this live stream. I hope you people, I hope you have a good time in this channel so far. So please drop a like if you like this video, and also please share this video to your friends or colleagues so that they will also learn the concepts what we are discussing currently. Okay, so now this is the time scheduling syntax in Jenkins. In this way we have to schedule our job with the help of this syntax only. Okay, the help of this syntax we are going to mention. Okay, so here let me open my my Jenkins screen again. So for that what I will do, let me close this one. Okay, so now go to your Jenkins screen. So where is our Jenkins? This is my Jenkins. So here we need to mention, right? Okay, so what I will do, 0 to 59 for every minute, for every, okay, for every minute, for every 3 minutes. Okay, 0 hyphen 59 by 3 means in an hour, for every 3 minutes I want to run my job. Okay, so then what is our next one? That is syntax, like every hour. Okay, every hour and every day and every month and every day within the week. Okay, this is a syntax for. So if I mention like this is we can consider as 1 hour. Okay, in an hour I want to execute for every 3 minutes. If that is the case, for every 3 minutes means it will execute 20 times the same script. Okay, and also on for every hour. Okay, for each and every hour, right? So here we are scheduling it as for every 3 minutes. At the same time we are telling here for every hour. At the same time for every day. A day will contain 1 to 31 days, right? And for every month, that is 1 to 12 months, and in the same way day of week, when we are going to do this one. And click on apply stack trace. Okay, the process, please check cover if any has reported unexpected token. Why unexpected token? Between you are appearing to be missing white space between star and star. Okay, okay, we are missing something here, that's why we got some error. Okay, so now we can see apply and click on save. Okay, and I am starting it now. We will see for every 3 minutes we can wait for, we will check for 2 times now. Okay, I mean for every 3 minutes it is working fine or not. Okay, now the time is 11:56. Again it will start at 11:59, which means after 3 minutes only we mentioned, right? So likewise for every hour it will run like 20 times. Okay, wait, we will see whether it is taking after 3 minutes or not. Okay, if it is failing, no issues. If it is failing means it is not going to wait anymore. Okay, now let me check here console output what exactly happening. So here a SQLEXY failed to execute, could not resolve dependencies for project, failed to collect the dependencies. Okay, so here we are getting some error saying that dependency jar issue with SQLEX. Okay, when I conducted a session for SQLEX, so I have added one SQL jar file here. Maybe because of that it is getting error here. If not from here, okay, you can see here, right? SQL. Okay, you can see here, right? Guys, are you able to see my screen properly? Okay, we are getting some error because of SQL API it is telling. We will see that error one more time. Go to that one, and I could not resolve dependency for Maven project, failed to execute, failed to read artifact of, could not able to transfer JXWB to mini block mirror rerun. Okay, console output, some problems are encountered, must be unique dependencies. Okay, so now version 1.1.1 versus line 66 column 13. What is our line number 66 here? Okay, that is SQL only. You can see here because of this jar file it is getting failed here. Okay, it is failing because of this jar file only. So now let me delete that one and we will see it one more time. Okay, here you can notice here. Okay, here you can see, go to project, here you can see it is keep on executing. Okay, do you remember? Do you remember, right? 3 times it executing. In an hour I want to execute 3 times. So likewise for every day I want to execute 3 times. Sorry guys, in an hour I want to execute only 3 times. For this hour, like 0 to 59 minutes, I want to execute 3 times. So likewise for each and every hour I want to execute 3 hours. So likewise for each and every day in that particular month I want to execute. Okay, likewise in the every week, every day, every month, every hour, every minute I want to execute like this. Okay, so now we will see it got completed, right? So now we will update What is error? What kind of error it is? Missing artifact. What kind of error? Yeah, let me do Maven update project, force update. Yeah, we will see, guys. No issues. We will try to resolve the issue if we get again. What kind of error it is giving now? Yeah, and missing artifact. Which file? I don't know why it is giving error now. GitHub. What is GitHub here? Control F. GitHub. Where? GitHub Boni Garcia. Okay. GitHub Boni Garcia. I'm getting error here. So now what I will do? So I will simply download one updated Chrome driver only. Okay, let me open this Chrome driver. So I am not going to use that WebDriver manager, because why I used means I don't have the latest version of Chrome driver. So in that case, if I execute my script on from my Eclipse, I am getting some error like this version of Chrome browser is not supporting the current version of your browser. Okay, that's what the error I am getting. So for that, what I will do, I will just go to settings. Okay, go to settings, click on this about Google Chrome. Okay, we will get the exact version here. Accordingly, we can download our driver file here. So now let me go back to Chrome driver downloads. Okay, Chrome driver download. Okay, let me download one driver file for this Chrome. Okay, this is our version of driver what we are having. So let me download this Windows file. Okay, so it got downloaded, show in folder, and let me copy this file and let me go to any one of the folder, control V, extract from here only, extract to this folder only. Okay, extract. So I don't know, because of that WebDriver manager maybe it is giving error, but we will try it now. So where is our project got located? Here is my project got located under E drive tutorials. Okay, under tutorials, what is our project name here? Selenium tutorials. Okay, Selenium SL. Where is SL? Yeah, this one. What is our project name here? Selenium tutorials, right? So here go to our driver files and let's rename this one. Okay, first we will rename and then we will, what happening here? Close. Yeah, I clicked on close, but you are not closing. What is this? Okay, then chr I will mention. Now what I will do, I will paste the latest Chrome driver version. Okay, so now go to capturing, right? Now go to what is our exact test we are running currently, that is capturing test. As so we have added in this content capturing, right? So here let me remove this line, because I have added the latest version of Chrome driver now. Okay, WebDriver dot Chrome WebDriver dot Chrome dot driver WebDriver dot Chrome dot driver. So better let me take the correct path. Okay, for that let me open any one of the project. So where I have mentioned the path of that particular Chrome driver. So how we can mention, So let me take in the same way. Okay, so we can use in this way then. Okay, so let me use the same line here instead of mentioning like this, because if I mention D drive means no use, because we are working with Maven project, all the files should present inside that project only. So that's why I am using this one. And now, okay, and now let me remove this WebDriver manager from pom.xml file, so that we will see, because this WebDriver manager is the latest version, but the version of Java what we are using, that is a old one. What? GitHub missing artifact. What missing artifact? What missing artifact? I don't know. Okay, sometimes it will happen, guys, no problem. Okay, we have to be there to resolve any issue. If you are getting, okay, then only you get to know what is the exact error when you are working with an automation test engineer. Okay, no problem, let it be. And Maven update project, force update of snapshots and releases. Okay, still it is there. So what I will do, why missing artifact com.github. Guys, anyone have any idea about this one? Please let me know, guys. If do you have any idea about this one, please let me know from the live chat. So why I am getting this error, missing artifact? What missing artifact? No, that should be present in the next line only. So what I will do, again I will go to the same project only where I have pom.xml file already. Okay, okay, now let me copy from here to till model version. I don't think it will resolve the error now. Guys, please let me know if you aware about this error. Okay, now anyway, no problem, we will try to run it one more time from Jenkins, whether that is impacting or not. Okay, so guys, are you there or not? Okay, here we can see, as I mentioned, it is keep on running for every 3 minutes. Okay, so now how we can stop? Okay, how we can stop? Go to project, and how we can stop here? Configure, click on configure, build now. So now it is working. If it works, no issues. Console output I want, console output I want. What error I am getting this time? Could not resolve dependency for project, was not found in Maven 2 during a previous attempt. Okay, so what I will do, so for this have to do something else to make sure it is working. Okay, so for that go to clean, right click on this one, perform Maven run as Maven clean. Okay, run as Maven clean, we will see whether we are getting any error or not. Okay, now we will try to run it from Jenkins. Okay, now we will try to run it from Jenkins. Go to project, delete build. Yes, okay, no problem, we will build it now. console output users Lenovo could not resolve dependency for project not found in Maven dependency resolve exception resolution exception. Yeah, no issues, guys. Are you understanding or not? Please let me know from the live chat, guys. Okay, so the process what I shown you, that is a correct one only. Okay, because of some Java versions what I did made changes, now it is not working. So please try to understand the concept what I am explaining currently. Okay, source test, Amazon test. If I have for this one, okay, no problem. Why getting this error? Missing artifact.com. What artifact.com? Guys, are you there or not? Please respond with me. Please, guys. I am currently checking why this issue is coming now. Okay, why I am getting this error currently? That is where I am looking. If you know about this one, please let me know from the live chat, guys. Configure build path compiler. Which one? Use complaints. No, we have 11 now. Apply. Yes. Apply and close. I think now this time it will go. Maven update project, force update. Click on OK. Go away, go away. Guys, please let me know if you know any solution for this one, please, guys. Why I stuck here, I am also not sure, bro. Missing artifact github.com. Okay, it is keep on running now or what? Here you can see we are getting console output from Jenkins only. Okay, we are getting console output directly from Jenkins this time. Okay, we are getting console output from Jenkins this time. So here, what is the error? I am not able to understand why I am getting. It build step invoke top level Maven project dependency. The Palmo repository which hosts this error generally occurred. Maven could not download dependencies. Possible occurs for this error or the repository you have configured and Maven failed to provide the correct credentials to the user. In this case, make sure user.home contains a server declaration whose ID matches. There is a general network dependency resolution exception. Yeah, let me check in Google, guys. Even I am also facing this error first time. When I tried on morning, I can able to, but this time it is not working properly fine. Cannot find the dependencies. Downloading only says the Maven tries to download. It is no statement about success. If Maven is successful, you will get another line download starting. Maven was not downloaded. Check the logged URL in your browser if it does not exist and that if it is protected. Okay. Okay. Go to .m2 folder now. Okay. That is what they are suggesting here. This PC. Please try to understand what I am doing here, guys. Again I am telling users Lenovo.m2. Please try to understand what I am doing here. Okay, here settings. Guys, please try to understand what I am doing here, why we got this error and what I am doing. Please try to understand, okay? Because even for me also that is a new challenge for me as well, because earlier I worked with Java JDK 18, so now I am getting the different error this time. Maven settings, what Maven settings? Okay, we'll go to here, settings.xml file. Where is that one? Settings.xml. I want settings.xml file, but here it is not there. So what exactly this error it is telling? Dependency resolution exception. What is this one? How to resolve dependency resolution in pom.xml file? Okay, I am new in Maven. I am getting this error while adding dependency in pom.xml file. Please below my pom.xml file. For every dependency error is shown that. Okay. You can use Maven repository. You can use Maven dot find the right coordinates to the dependencies. There is some issue with dependencies tag only, it seems. Oh ho 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 ho. Element type dependency must be followed by. Somewhere we missed out, guys, here. No. Yeah, I got to know now. So something we are missing here. Okay, so now let me remove all this. Okay, we are missing dependency file tag. Okay, oh my god, I thought like it is different kind of error by seeing that first line of error inside this Maven file. Okay, so here the dependencies tag is this one, and that is a dependency for Selenium and dependency for Apache Py, and then dependency tag for log4j, and then dependency tag for log4j, logging4j, dependency group id dependency, and x. Why we need this one? x we don't want to remove this line. Okay, so then we are using dependency tag and then dependency tag, and you can remove this line as well, x. We don't want these tools here. Okay, now is everything okay? I think there is some issue with this log4j also. I think I am nowhere using this log4js. We will see. Okay, so now what the element type version must be terminated by matching ending version. Now let me update this project. Maven. How to update Maven project? In this way, right click on Maven, force update of snapshots or releases. Okay, so now what I'm doing, element version, what version? Control F, Control V. Guys, give me some time, guys. Currently I'm looking Is it possible to automate two-factor authenticator like Win Authenticator? If yes, then do share the resource for doing. Thank you. Win Authenticator, right? So that is you are telling about from mobile application. There are some applications, right? Microsoft Authenticator, and also Win Authenticator. So if you are talking about that one or what something else you are telling. So it is happening due to this Java related only, guys. It is very bad thing. Where is this end version? Not getting where exactly it is. It is consuming more time, if you know what I mean. Where exactly I am missing? The element type must close with version. Here I have already closed the version. If that is the case, I have to remove all the dependency files, guys, from this one, right? Okay, let me remove these two. Still there is one more error. Okay, I guess it is not having any error now. It came to here. The element type dependencies must be terminated by the end tag dependency. What error this one? Remove artifact ID. Still there are some errors. Okay, so what I will do, if I use the older version of extend report, it will definitely not allowing us to capture the screenshots. Okay, it will not allowing the capture the screenshots if I use the lower version of extend reports. Okay, this is the latest version of extend report where I have used to capture the screenshots. If you want, I can show you as well now. So here you can see main extend reports class. Now everything got interrupted. Okay, so now everything got interrupted now because of this Java version. So without that, how this extend report will work? See here, Java 11 is not supporting the extend report 18. Where is the error for this one? Content capturing. Okay, remove this one. Okay, go to properties file. See, everything is affecting now. So what I will do, okay, what I will do, go to properties, compiler, compliance 11, apply, yes, apply and close. So now still that is error is there. Guys, please suggest me on this one. Again I stuck here. If you know about this one, please let me know. Group ID, element type must be followed at either. Okay, let me check it one more time. Properties, build path. Okay, after build path, go to compiler, apply later, use compliance from execution, Java build path. Java build path. What is the Java build path here? Java compiler. No, 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 not this one. Click on the compiler. Use default compliance settings. Apply. Yes. Plan close. If I decreased, I mean, if I use the lower version of Java, it is not allowing me to do. Go to build path, configure, and Java build path, Java compiler, use complaints, no, use default. Okay, 11, 11, apply, click on S, apply and close. Please work with this one. And there is something is happening. One second guys, let me restart it one more time. The Eclipse part. Okay, so we are almost there. Okay, so due to this Jenkins version only, I have lost all my work where I discussed many things. Okay, so that is the stupid thing. The latest version of Java is not working with Jenkins. Means what? What's the use of introducing with Jenkins, and why we are using this Jenkins currently? I don't know. Still the error is there, guys. Okay, I don't want this one. Okay, I don't want this one. I will use directly the same line of code what we mentioned for content capture. Okay, yeah, and take the same line and use there. I go to test ng assertions and till from here to here use. Okay, and what is the one more error? Okay, let me remove WebDriver manager from here first. Okay, okay, everything is fine now, and there are some more errors. Okay. Okay, let me delete this GitHub Boni Garcia as well, so that we can reduce the errors here. And go to Sikuli. So here also we have WebDriver Manager, it seems. Okay, all the jar files we have deleted, right? So no problem. Let me delete this class itself. We are not going to use this class anymore. Okay, delete. Okay, no problem. Let me File Explorer, driver files, right? Selenium tutorials project I want actually. So let me copy this and paste into here. Okay, so please don't feel like anything, guys. Please support the stream, guys. Okay, so now I am trying to fix that issue, so where we are stuck since from last 15 minutes. Let me delete the security tests, and we will see we don't have any. Refresh and go to pom.xml file, run as maven clean. Okay, now we don't have any error. So now what I will do, I will cancel this execution from Jenkins, means I will delete this project, and again I will, where is this one, where it went? Where is my Jenkins? Okay, no problem. Let me do a local host again and hit enter. Okay, so now no builds in queue. Okay, now go to Jenkins or click on new item. Again I am going to create capturing screenshot, and I am providing some freestyle project. What? Okay, so now again selecting freestyle project and clicking on OK. So once if I click on OK, so here I am going to provide, it is my sample project from Jenkins. Okay, so once that step is completed, build periodically, you need to select. Okay, build periodically, you have to select. Okay, go to build triggers and provide this, the same syntax is 59 by 3 space star space star space star space star. Okay, so apply, and before this, what we are going to select our thing, right? So for this, go to build. Okay, go to build again. I am doing the same steps here, and invoke top level maven projects and test. Okay, you can mention as test and click on advanced. Okay, click on advanced. Where is our project got located? So okay, copy that path from the Eclipse. Okay, so now let me do it one more time, whether it is working fine or not, we will see it this time. And properties, right? Okay, properties, So here, this is my, oh, okay, pom.xml, right? Yeah, take this pom.xml file property and copy the file path. Okay, pom.xml file path. Click on cancel. Go to your Jenkins. Paste your path here. And previously you are getting some Maven version also, but this time it was not there. Okay, click on apply. So once if we set this one, so then the next step is which one? Okay, so save. Okay, it got saved already. So now go to your capture screenshot, click on build now. We will see whether it is working fine or not. Still it is failing. Okay, failed to execute Maven compiler plugin here, which means which one I have used here. Maven plugin, let me check. 2.2.20. Okay, so what the error it is telling here? Okay, thank you so much guys. So source option 5, target option 1.5 is no longer set. Okay, use 1.6 or later. Compiler plugin issue 1.6 or later it is telling to use. Okay, so now what I will do here, go to Maven, click on build path, configure build path and compiler, apply later and here 11 and installed JREs. This is due to we'll see whether it will work or not. JRE is not there. Now go to browser. Guys, anyone is there? Guys, currently I'm searching for that issue. So what we are facing currently, 3.1. Why 3.1? Okay, let me use the same one only. But we will. Mhm. Give me some time, guys. It is going to resolve now, I guess. Okay, it is going to resolve now, I guess. Please give me some more time. Okay. So it should have to download the full part here. Okay, there is some issue with Maven compiler plugin it seems. Where we are using, we will check here. Maven compiler plugin. Okay guys, finally it started working. So actually it is a mistake from my end only. So I have always concentrated on my local machine Eclipse. Okay, but unfortunately you can see here. So I triggered a build from which one? A Jenkins. So it started working then. Okay, one second. Close tabs to the right. Okay, so here you can see I'm not doing anything now. Okay, so here you can see I'm not doing anything, so it is all automatically started the execution. If you can see here all these Chrome browsers, right? So it is already started executing now. Okay, so no problem guys. So I thought like when I'm getting some error here inside my Eclipse, I am always focusing on my local. Okay, but when I executed it from Chrome browser, so it started working now. See here you can see these Chrome browsers are keep on increasing. At the same time, if you can go to our Jenkins, okay, console Jenkins, there is that one. I have closed or what? No, it is still executing only. Actually our tests will fail definitely here, because I am wantedly failing our all the test cases. Okay, so that's why it is showing here the failures. Okay, so any questions guys here? So finally it started working. There was no issue with my Jenkins concept, but there is some issue with my Eclipse only. So I have always concentrated on my Eclipse part only, but you can see here this Chrome count is keep on increasing. Okay, please remember that. Okay, it started working now, no problem. So tomorrow I will explain you exactly what is happening. Okay, so no issues from our Jenkins side, if you can remember. Okay, there is no issues with our Jenkins. You can see here it is keep on executing. Okay, console output in progress. So how many times it is executing per minute? It will execute 20 times. Okay, so those many things you can find it from here. Okay, it is still in progress. Yeah, you can see here who started the run. Okay, and also on which environment, on which workspace it is running, and what is the status here. Okay, along with that, if you look into this console, addition of two numbers is 30, subtraction is 19, division is 0, and it is telling the starting Chrome driver as 105.5195. Then it got ended here because of wantedly I am failing all our test cases this time. Okay, so this is how we can execute from which one? Our Jenkins. Okay, fine. Okay, I'm stopping my session now. If anyone have any doubts, please ping me on the same session. Okay, thanks guys. Come on guys.